Hello, I'm Balansama Sankor, Campaign Coordinator, Stand Against Discrimination, Sierra Leone. Our topic for today's workshop is Human Rights Campaign in support of the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community, in brackets LGBT for short. Introduction. The objective of this meeting is to decrease the targeted audience and society perception of this subset of population, for them to be treated fairly, lessen humiliation and abusive treatment at work, home, school, mosques, church, etc. The goal is to demonstrate that this population should not be an outcast of society, but rather an integral and vital part of the Sierra Leone community. The importance of such a campaign was first discussed at a workshop held in Paris, France on the 10th to the 11th December 1948. It was the first declaration about the rights and freedom of the individual to be adopted by the United Nations. Discrimination among the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community, in brackets LGBT for short, is a crisis in Africa, Sierra Leone to be specific. The topic was then further discussed at a sub-regional workshop in Ethiopia titled A Threat to Discrimination Among the Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual and Transgender Community, in brackets LGBT for short, on the 14th to the 16th December 1948. All participants at this meeting have been provided with the recommendation from both these workshops. Audience: non-LGBT member age 18 to 35 living in Sierra Leone. According to research, 90% of this subset targeted audience has a rock-solid desire to achieve new things if proper education/awareness is delivered. Today, as we recognize our principal driving force for the foreseeable future is technology, we will use projector, laptop to do our presentation. Workshop size 8 to 12. Reason: we want everyone to have an opportunity to have his question answered and to get some individual attention by the facilitator. Time available: as a start, the workshop will run for an hour. Activities: we will play fun game for participants to interact to each other for 20 minutes and also to keep them awake. Break. Purpose of the workshop: we want to introduce people to a way we all should respect one alternative lifestyle rather than cutting ourselves from each other. Preparation, logistic, equipment. Our facilitators are well prepared for today's workshop. After, we will make an evaluation. Please, the implementation of this workshop will be well professional. Closure. We will review our agenda, give participants chance to ask for feedback on the presentation presented, follow up. After this process, we will do a follow up on each participant. Summary. Through my own experience, I have no doubt that networking, whether it is formal or informal, whether it involves scientific research or mere information exchange, is vital in human rights campaign. I also believe that the success of such campaign lies in good fear management with the unanimous support and backing of its embrace. I now leave you in the good hands of an unbiased facilitator to lead us through the discussion.